Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ship your iPhone back to T-Mobile. So this is going to be useful for individuals who have maybe taken advantage of a promotion that T-Mobile is having, where you trade your iPhone in exchange for a new phone. So what essentially happens is that you're going to receive a magenta looking envelope that looks like this. It's going to be a giant envelope that says your device return kit is here. So inside the kit, you have the cardboard box. You also have instructions here as well of how to actually return your device. It also comes with a shipping label. And then you've also got a bubble wrap to actually place your phone in. So essentially how it works is that you assemble the box and the adhesives are already inside the box as well. You place your phone inside the bubble wrap. You go ahead and place the phone inside of the box. And then with it, you basically just seal the box, and then drop it off to UPS. So it's pretty simple though, as far as T-Mobile helping you return your old device. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and return your iPhone back to T-Mobile. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.